Hi guys! As you can see, today we are setting up Masha and the Bear's house. It comes with a lot of stuff. Masha and Bear figures, accessories, and stickers to decorate the house. Well, let's go! Let me open this. Look! Here we got a fridge, a bread box, some cabins, and a chest. But we still have to put the stickers, so here we go. Let's start with the carpet, which is great. Now we put the books in the library. That's it. And the shelves. Very good. Let's go for the fridge. It has two sides. Let's start with the door. And now the other one. Make sure it's in place. Okay. Now we just have to put the sticker in the front. Perfect. So, this part is ready. If we turn over the house, we see the cute entry with its own mailbox. This sticker was already in place, so all set. Isn't it much more cute now? We can place the accessories now. In this bag we have a lot of tiny things. We have a table, some cups and teapots, and also some bread rolls. Let's leave it all on the table. They are so tiny, it's hard to pick them. That's it, perfect. Let's place this around here. And now let's take the rest of the figures that came in the box. Let's leave this cooking pot up here. This goes there. And this in that corner. Let's make room for the TV. And we put the sofa right in front of it. So this is the perfect place for Masha. Finally, we bring Bear to his house. And now it's all set. See how you can open this cabin to put things inside. Like this bread roll. And that's it. Those are all the elements that came in the set. If you want to see more Masha and the Bear and other toys stories, check out the channel. See you!